Are you looking for a top real estate broker to aggressively market and sell your home? Arten's market plan is designed to get you the most exposure and top dollar in any market. Arten will give you a detailed evaluation at no cost of the home at the listing presentation. You will get a detailed list of how Arten will market and sell your home. If your home is in need of staging, Arten will coordinate a stager to stage the home at no cost to you. Professional pictures will be taken of your home and an eye-catching sign will be placed in the yard. Coming soon advertising to attract the local agents and buyers. Your home will be listed in the MLS and advertised in all social media along with the top real estate websites. High-quality flyers will be distributed. Weekly open houses will be conducted, then feedback will be provided from all visitors. Arten is available morning to night, 7 days a week. Call Arten Sarkeesian today at 818-437-2433 for a free consultation and a home market evaluation.